Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to do a bear-sized breakfast again. This time, we're doing sausage, gravy, and biscuits, eggs, bacon, not just any bacon, you'll have to watch to see what that is. We're going to do waffles too, so sounds good to you? Hang out, grab your favorite beverage, and I'm going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out here. Get our pan warming up. We're going to start with our sausage and get it in the pan there. Kind of get it broke down a little bit. This is for our sausage gravy. Maybe get it broke down a little bit. There we go. Alright. Get that cooking. Get all that goodiness off there, off that spatula. We'll cover that. And then we're going to start our bacon. But it ain't no ordinary bacon. Today, we're doing jaw bacon. If y'all never had jaw bacon, don't know what you're missing. So, basically it's pork jaw, smoked, cured, just like regular bacon. So, but I think it's tastier myself. If you're a true bacon lover, then there ain't no way you could not like this. So, alright, we're going to get these two cooking. I've already got the mix made up for the waffles, and I've already made my biscuits. They're just simple canned biscuits. They're buttermilk canned biscuits, not the flaky style. I think they're pretty dang good. So let me get this stuff here a little further along. We'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all. Just fogged y'all up. Alright y'all, we got this here sausage cooking down. You can see that bacon's cooking up there nicely. Just trying to get this sausage broke down into some nice smaller pieces here. A little tip, I don't know if it works for everything, for all bacon or all sausage, but I find if I freeze it, especially that tube stuff, if you freeze it and thaw it out, it likes to crumble up a lot better. So, alright, let that cook a little more. We're going to flip our bacon here. Ooh yeah, look at that. I like mine nice and crispy. Oh yeah, that's coming along beautifully, beautifully. So, alright, I'm going to continue cooking this stuff. Bring it back when we're ready to make some more. Alright y'all, it's time to make the gravy. Sausage is done. Now I use a mix, and it's McCormick's Country Gravy Mix. I really like it because I am cursed at making gravy. This is the way I do mine. I add the mix to the sausage, like that. Kind of let it get all that grease and everything all picked up there. Alright, got that. And then that was 2/3 of that cup of that mix. And it says to do 2 cups of water. I do maybe a cup and a half, cup and a third, something like that. Hope you guys can hear me over that bacon cooking. It's time to flip that bacon. Now my jaw bacon that I got is not pre-sliced. I sliced it myself and I made it nice and thick, probably a 1/4 inch thick. So just kind of stir that around like that. See if you see any lumps, kind of break them up a little bit. Make sure you scrape that bottom. Get all that goodiness off the bottom there. I do have the waffle iron going here to do our waffles up. It's heating up. I'm going to add just a little bit more water. Yeah, I went ahead and put the whole 2 cups in there. It'll thicken up. If I have to, I'll add just a little bit more of that mix. But the nice thing about that McCormick's is it already has pepper in it, so. Alright, I think our bacon's done over here. Yes, sir. I'm going to take that off there. Alright. Bacon is done, man. Move that out of the way. We're going to move our grease back here because we're going to reuse that grease. Yes, we're going to cook our eggs in bacon grease. Jaw bacon grease. Clean my stove top up there a little bit so she don't get all burnt and nasty. These glass tops, sometimes they're hard to clean if you don't keep up on them. So, all right, that's looking delicious. Yeah, there's a little bit of grease floating around on there, but it'll be all right. Trust me. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another shake of that mix because I want it a little thicker. And that's all by like how thick you like yours, how thick you know. I like mine nice and thick for it sticks to everything. I don't want it running off the plate, running away from me. Man, I wish you all could smell this, to smell that jaw bacon, the sausage gravy cooking. Alright. Alright, that's done. I'm going to turn the heat off on it. Throw me a lid on it. I'll keep an eye on it. But we're going to cook some waffles. Hopefully y'all can see here. Y'all see that? Hopefully. Alright. And I am using just a mixed waffle mix. Nothing special. Just the store variety. That's it right there. I already mixed it up. Now I need to get my little. Where'd my little towel go? I must have thrown my little. There it is. Alright, we're going to lay that down between the bowl so we don't get it everywhere. Alright. The instructions say to use a half a cup. And this is a 1/4 cup ladle, so. Alright, that looks about right. Flop that down. Flip her over and cook her until it stops steaming. So I'm going to cook these, bring y'all back whenever we get done. Alright y'all, gotta tell you, this is the first time I use this waffle maker. I just got it not long ago. It says to cook until the steam stops coming out. I can't tell if that's steam or smoke. You guys probably can't see it, but it's been a good while. So we're going to flip this over. And yes, it did leak. I don't know, I think that looks like it's pretty well done. Yeah, That's pretty crunchy there. So, all right, we're gonna load another one up here. Just to use the batter up. And this time we ain't putting as much in. That was the instructions on the cooker. I said to put, you know, that much in. So, and it did leak out all over the place over here. So, yeah, that's why we went with the smaller amount on the second one. So, all right, I'm gonna let this one here cook, and then we'll bring you back when we're all done. All right, y'all, got them waffles cooked up. We're gonna start cooking up our eggs and getting our breakfast together here. So, that's a little bit of that jaw bacon grease. While that's cooking up, I'm going to throw us a couple biscuits in there. There's that. There's our sausage gravy. And look how nice and thick that is. That's the way I like it. Take a little bit of that. Go over top of these here biscuits. Gotta get a little bit more on there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Alright. Looks like our egg's about ready to flip real quick. Because it is nice and crispy around the edges. Just the way I like them. Ooh yeah. I like my eggs like that. It's the best way to have your eggs. Alright. Just a quick flip there. We're going to throw that right on top of that. Look at that. I'm going to cook one more up because we want 2 eggs with our sausage gravy. Oh yeah. Move that over just a little bit and get the other egg on the other side. Alright. Oh, that is a work of art. Alright, let me finish getting everything else together and we'll bring you all back for a taste test. Alright, y'all, there you have it. The Bear's Breakfast XXL. I even put some little sriracha sauce on there. We're going to start out with a bite of that egg and biscuit and gravy. And that is heaven. I'm so hungry. I'm going to have another bite. We're going to move on to that jaw bacon. That is delicious too. So good. Awesome. Now, I'm going to have our waffle here. Usually I put peanut butter on my waffle. I'm out of peanut butter. How can I be out of peanut butter? I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to try that. I did put some maple syrup on it. Not bad. Not bad. I think I'm going to have to try a different mix, so maybe it'd be better with peanut butter on it. Or get used to using this waffle iron. No, good for a first run, so. Oh. We cannot forget the beverage of the day. hang on. We got the beverage of the day. Beverage of the day. Gotta start your day off with coffee. Polar bread, cup. Might be some merch coming. Might have some cups and stuff. Don't know yet. We're working on it, but there you go. Ah, delicious as always. Life's nectar. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hanging out with me in the kitchen here. Thank you all for hanging out with me in the garage when we do that kind of stuff. So, appreciate y'all. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down there in the bottom if you like this breakfast. If you think you can handle this breakfast. It takes a big bear to eat it all. So, anyways, again, appreciate you all watching. Love y'all. Catch my Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to do this again next week. So, bear appetit.